Mrs. Princess. I am the favorite and beautiful cousin of Mary. Kidding aside, first of all, congratulations to the both of you. We wish you best and happiness on your wedding day. To my favorite cousin Mary, you finally found the man of your dreams, and I hope you cherish him. And to Kuya Omar, please take care of our cousin, make her happy because she deserves it. And as you begin your journey together, may your love be a shining example of true love. And again, congratulations!
Congratulations on your wedding, Neri and Omar.
May both of you be blessed and have a relationship full of love and happiness.
We wish you both a wonderful lifetime together. Best wishes!
Hi, kumusta kayong dalawa dyan na mag-asawa? Lenlen and Omar, happy wedding! Mag-ingat kayo palagi and magmahalan. Sana pag uwi niyo dito sa Pilipinas, may little Linlina and or little Omar. Ulit, happy wedding! Ingat lagi, love you!
Congratulations sa inyo, Isan. Sana maging maligaya kayo dalawa sa araw ng kasal nyo. Lahat kami masaya para sa inyo. Kahit nasa malayo kami, nakasuporta pa rin kami sa inyo. Nakasuporta pa rin kami. Yun lang. At nga pala, bayaw. The best yung ihilingin ko lang sa'yo na to. Pag-uwi mo ng Pinas pag-uwi mo nga kami na patihin mo na kami ng imported na alak. Yung galing Amerika. Nakakatikim ng alak ng galing Amerika. Parang gusto kong tikman na ganun. Yun na yung huwag mo kakalimutan, bayaw! Kakalimutan yun. American alak. Mabuhay bagong kasal, yeah. Goods. Masaya ako sa inyong dalawa at see you sa makikita na tayong lahat. Naisip ako. Brain blast. Baka may kakilala ka ba yan? Amerikana, ipakilala mo na lang sa akin. Okay, congratulations sa inyo ha. Ingat kayong dalawa dyan. God bless you.
And then, kamusta ka na? Congrats nga pala ha. Happy wedding day nga pala sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Saka, maging happy ka para sa araw ng kasal mo. Nakasuporta kami sa'yo. Lahat kami dito nakasuporta sa'yo. Ingat ha. Congrats ulit.
Lenen Omar!
Congratulations, Lenen Omar.
Ingat kayo palagi dyan. At lagi niyong piliin ang isa't isa. Magmahalan kayo hanggang gusto nyo.
And hello! Ayan. Let's start with Kuya Abjel. You greet Tito Omar and Tita Neri. Congratulations. Go!
Congratulations to a beautiful couple, wishing you a wonderful journey as you build your new life together.
Wow! Si Mami naman.
Ano?
Ikaw na.
Congratulations, Neri and Omar. All the best.
Ayan.
Alagaan niyo yung sarili niyo isa't isa at magmahalan.
Ayan. Sabihin ko pa? Ayan. And so ako naman, congratulations, Neri and Omar. Naway magmahalan kayo at sana maging maging matibay sa anumang pagsubok. Syempre, may mga challenges, mag-aaway, hindi lang lahat is sweetness. And syempre, hindi rin lahat lagi mong love yung partner mo. Ayan. Hindi sa lahat ng oras lagi mong darating kayo sa part na gano'n. Nandiyan yung yan. Pero, piliin nyo yung isa't isa. Tapos, for Omar, ayan, have patience. Ayan. You know how Filipina, how to, ano ba yan? Ang hirap. You know how, how they, how they angry if you get caught. And I know you are a good man, so take care of my cousin. And best wishes both of you, and good luck.
Good morning. Hi, Linlin, Aileen, and Omar. I wish you a happy sa inyong kasal. Sana pagpalain kayo ni Lord. Yan lang. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Hello. Kumusta, pamangkin? Kasal mo pala ngayon. Sana palain ka ng Panginoon lahat ng swerte dumating sa iyo. Saka totoong mahal mo yung lalaki, ipagdasal mo rin. Magkasama kayo habang buhay. Basta sa kaligayahan mo, napakabuti ang inyong buhay. Sana tuloy-tuloy lahat yan. Kung may nakakalimutan, always pray. God is the best. I love you, anak.
Hello! Hi, Len! Ang saya-saya naman. Wow! Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula eh. Nakakailang take na ba ako? Ha? Siguro 10 take na to, Len. I'm excited. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Pero masaya ako. Wishes sa inyong dalawa. Eto na. Finally. Papasok na siya sa masaya naman magkaroon ng pamilya. Mahirap naman tumanda tayo na walang pamilya. Tama lang yan. At nasa tamang edad ka na rin naman. Ang masasabi ko lang to my dearestness, Neri and Omar, marriage is a gift of Almighty. I hope you two will find peace and happiness in life. Just a reminder, be happy and choose to be happy. When you encounter a problem in your marriage, just be the strength of each other and always have a faith to the Lord. And in your relationship as a couple, again, to both of you, happy memorable wedding day. We love you. Dear Tita Nits. Mwah.
Hello, Tita Omar and Tita Lenlen. Congratulations po para sa wedding ninyo. My wish for you both is to always understand each other and stay healthy. Yun lang. And para kay Tita Lenlen, thank you po lagi sa pagsuporta sa amin, paggagabay. And kay Tito Omar, don't hurt our family. Joke. Always love our tita because she is precious to us, and I know that you love my tita, and thank you for being with her, and I will always say thank you. That's all.
It's my turn. Best wishes, Tito Omar and Tita Len. I wish na lagi kayong safe and lagi sana kayong magkaintindihan and sana lagi kayong healthy and yun lang po. Sana po yun lang. Quickly it's your turn. Len, for you, Len and Omar, best wishes is for both of you is to be healthy and happy always. And for you, Insan, Kasim, ingat palagi, stay humble, and salamat sa suporta, sa pag-aalala. Maging matatag ka palagi. Matatag ka naman, katulad ni Tita Nini, ni mama mo, matatag din. Dumaan sa mga pagsubok, pero di sumuko. Pare-pares naman tayo eh. Dumadaan sa pagsubok, pero di sumusuko. Kaya, pag may problema ka, message ka lang. Kung ano yung kaya kong ibigay na suporta, ibibigay ko sa'yo. Sa panalangin kasama ka, sa pagpapayo, pwede. Message mo lang ako kung walang-wala na. Pagka busy si mama mo or busy mga tita mo. Kasi mga tita mo naman mga ka-close mo eh. Kami mga pinsan mong pogi. Medyo alangan ka eh. Kasi pogi kami.
Nakakatawa na
And for you, Omar, don't hurt my cousin. Love him so much.
Her.
Love her. Sorry. Love her so much. And for both of you, Len and Omar, teka lang, ano yun? Glukwood. Congratulations.
Congrats.
And Mama!
Hi, Len and Omar. Kumusta? Ang wish ko lang sa inyo, sana parating magmahalan at parating magpunawaan. Ang bawat isa sa inyo, wag magmataas, parating nasa baba lang. Sana habang buhay, kayong magsasama at parating may takot sa Panginoon. Number 1 yan. Alam ko naman na pagdasal ka. At si Omar, sana mahalin mo ng todo-todo ang pamangkin ko, si Linlin, at huwag mo siyang pabayaan. Kung kayo man ay nagkakaroon ng problema, pag-usapan. Huwag niyong patapusin ang buong magdamag na hindi kayo nagkakasundo. Ang wish ko sa inyo, sana magmahalan kayo at habang buhay, mahalin mo ng husto si Lenlen at Lenlen, mahalin mo rin ng husto si Omar. Yan lang ang maaano ko sa inyo at parating nasa nagpapakumbaba ang bawat isa sa inyo. Sana ang pagkasal niyong ito ay saksihan namin lahat na kayo ay habang buhay na masaya. Yan lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo.
Congratulations. And dito na po. Bye-bye!
Hello sis, congrats on your wedding. Wishing you nothing but a lifetime of love and happiness. Bye-bye!
So, hi nang. Hi. Nakaila ko na kay ko. Murag medyo na ako mag-ESL ani. So, medyo ni pwede during a Bisaya kay. Bitaw nang. Congratulations to both of you on this beautiful journey that you've begun together. I'm so happy for you, and although I'm far away, My heart is right there with you, celebrating your love. Now, I've seen the love and joy you share with Omar. I know you're in the best hands. Omar, please take good care of her. She's one of the precious person that I have known. And I trust you to care for her because she's like family to me. We may be oceans apart, but I know she's in good hands with you. Please look after her with all the love and care she deserves. So, wishing you both a lifetime of happiness, laughter, adventure, and unconditional love. I can't wait to see you both thrive together, and I'm sending you all of my best wishes from afar. So, see you real soon in the Philippines, Nang and Omar, and I love you both and congratulations.
Hello, Madi! Congratulations! I am genuinely happy now that you have finally found the man of your dream. Though your journey to finding you forever may be tough, wearing that white beautiful dress next to the man you have prayed for, deserve. May the love that you have shared today grow stronger as you grow old together. I pray that today be the beginning of a long, happy married life together. Always put God at the center of your marriage and everything will fall into place. Again, Madi, wishing you joy, love, and happiness on your wedding day because you really deserve it, girl. Again, Madi, I love you and please do take care of yourself. Noon, na may muambing. Aw. Paghimo na day, anak. Ang sinugayan. Love you, Madi. Congratulations.
Hi guys, here it is. The day has come. It's your wedding day. Neri and Omar too, forever. I just wanna say congratulations to the both of you. May your love and happiness you feel today shine through the year, and may your love for each other will grow much stronger and bolder. Let me give you this verse. In 2 Corinthians 9 verse 8. And God is able to make grace overflow to you, so that in every way, always having everything you need, you may excel in every good work. Why this verse? Because I know God will provide everything that you need. God bless. See you soon.
Hi guys, to my beautiful and handsome cousin Neri and Omar, congratulations guys on taking the first step of unleashing God's blessings in marriage, or finally finding each other to share life with. I am also excited to witness both of you enjoy each other's company through your vlog and continue to do more vlogs because I'm a fan of the Nerelli vlogs. So yeah, witnessing a pure, genuine connection of both of you really inspires the people around you, and also continue to be a source of respect and understanding, especially in your marriage. In Ephesians 4:2, it says here, be humble, gentle, patient, and bear with one another. This verse I leave you both to support each other in love all the days of your marriage till death do part. And lastly, Mark 10:9, what God has joined together, let no one separate. Whatever happens, whatever life throws, let the foundation in the Lord be the center of your marriage. Once again, congratulations, God bless, and see you soon!
Hi Nang, congratulations! Ako Daini, kinunong ka? Ako ang imong konsensya. Bitaw. Nang, I'm so happy for you. You found you're the one. I've witnessed some of your winning moments when it comes to love, and I also witnessed some of your saddest moments. Nang, you've been through a lot. I know getting married is not an easy decision. Plus, you're miles away with your family. I do hope, Nang, and pray that your husband shall take care of you, cherish you, and love you for the rest of his life. As of this moment, Nang, I really can't give yet some advices as to what to do of being a married couple because I just got married a few weeks ago. All I can say is in everything that you do, the both of you, through good times and bad times. Please hold on to each other and let God be the center of your journey. To your husband, sir, you found a gym. There are billions of women out there, yet you choose Nang Neri. Thank you for being Nang Neri's home away from home. Please love her unconditionally. Nang Neri, paghimo din mo imported nga bata. Sana all inaara man day din ha ang forever may padugay ra kang niyan ha ibuan pa lang. Ito nang pag-amping taon din ha. Dili na ra ba madala og langoy or haplas og lana if ganahan kag muuli diri sa Pilipinas. Magtarong jud ha. Nang again, congratulations and we miss you. Amping og ampo nang.
Hi, Sister Red. So, ayun na nga. Ayan, pinaghandaan ko pa yung paggawa ko ng video. Tumayo pa ako sa beach. Diyos ko. So, ayun na nga. Happy wedding, Mr. and Mrs. Fernandez. Lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na I'm always happy for you. I'm always kinikilig for you. Kinilig na lang sa ibang love life, ano? So, ayun. Alam ko naman kahit inaasar ka kita, alam ko naman na kinikilig ka pa rin. And, ayun, no, alam mo naman na laging nandito lang ako to support you no matter what happened. And to Uma, I just want to say thank you for the genuine love you show to my sister. We never know that she met someone like you at OA, but we know how much you love her. I hope you never change even to that's all. Hope to see you soon, bro. Sana marunong ka lang magtagalog pag nagkita tayo, bro. Congratulations again.
Hi! Hi, Bess and Omar. Congratulations on your wedding. I wish all the good things in life, Omar. We have known Neri for many, many years. We hope all you take her and love her more than we do. Bess, finally, I'm so happy for you. I'm happy that you get to share your life with someone you love the rest of your life. And even if we're miles apart, I hope you'll never forget us. Once again, congratulations!
Hello! Ayan, hello, fresh from Africa, and fresh from the Philippines. So, this is my message for the both of you. Ayan. Wait lang. It's very dusty because after how many years finally, Ate. So, hello Ate and Kuya Omar. Congratulations on your wedding. To Kuya Omar, welcome to the family, Kuya. I couldn't be happier that you and Ate have found each other. Seeing you how much you love my sister is truly heartwarming. And please take her and love her always because she is one of the amazing women that I am looking up to. And my advice, if she is mad to you, just give her food. After that, she is in a good mood already. And if you want to know her more and deeply, and especially her favorite food, just ask Mama. So I know she is in a good hand, and thank you for coming to her life. I'm so excited for the beautiful journey ahead for the both of you. And to my ate, after how many years of waiting, your special day has finally arrived. Witness jud ko sa imong journey, day. Words can hardly express the joy I feel seeing you step into this beautiful new chapter of your life. Ate, thank you for everything sa imong sacrifices sa mua. You've always been a source of love, strength, and inspiration sa kuha. And now you found someone who cherishes you as deeply as you deserve. So congratulations, Dai. May your marriage be filled with endless laughter, unwavering support, and a love that grows stronger with every passing day. I'm so happy for both of you, and I'm excited to see the wonderful life you will be build together. With all my love, Camille. Congratulations again. Bye-bye.
Maganda na ba ako dyan? Congratulations, newlyweds, Ate and Kuya Omar. So, best wishes for the both of you, but I have a message for you. I'll just gonna read this because I can't memorize it, okay? So, let me start. Dear Charo, Charot. So, there are no words that could truly express how happy I am for the both of you today. Watching the two of you come together in love and commitment fills my heart with such great joy. From the very first time I saw the way you look at each other, I knew that there was something incredibly special between you both. The bond you shared is pure and genuine, and it's been such a beautiful thing to witness. Ate, you've always been someone I've admired because you are strong, compassionate, loving, and full of life. You've been my guide through so many moments, and seeing you step into this new chapter of your life with such love and excitement fill me with pride. Laban sis, I'm so proud of you sis. So, Ate, I really thought that it will take long years for you to get married. And, you know, if you just know, I've promised to myself that I won't get married unless you are. So now, I am relaxed that I know. Because you are married already. So, thanks to Kuya Omar because he found you. And for Kuya Omar, from the moment I got to know you, I could see what an amazing person you are. You compliment my gorgeous sister. Oh, diba gorgeous? In every way. Even when I tell she's not pretty. just to tease you. But you know, she's pretty. Yes, of course. And to make it clear that you truly cares for her. And you support her and bring out the best in her. Thank you for that. As you stand here today, and as you sit down, please stand up again. Sorry guys. Sorry, I'm not doing it so serious. But you know, I'm just happy. And we have to make so fun, you know. I know that this is the beginning of a beautiful adventure. Marriage is a partnership built on trust, patience, and most of all, love. Remember always to put God at the center of your marriage. I hope you always find time to laugh, even when things get tough. Like this, oh, ha 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 ha. and hold each other close during the challenging times, and celebrate together during the joyful ones. May you continue to grow not only as couple but also as an individuals, supporting each other's dream, ambitions, and personal journeys. Looking at the two of you, I see how perfectly you fit together. Indeed, God is too wise to be mistaken. So you are meant to be together, okay? You are each other's best friend, confidant, and great supporters. And I know that you will continue to be there for one another through thick and thin. I have no doubt that your love will continue to flourish and that your journey together will fill with endless happiness, laughter, and love. So, don't argue, always okay? I'm beyond excited for all the adventures that lie ahead for you both. The future holds so many beautiful moments, and I know that as long as you walk through life side by side, round and round, it will be nothing short of amazing. Congratulations on this incredible day, and may your love continue to grow with each other passing years. With all my love and best wishes, your very loving sister. Congratulations! Give us a beautiful a handsome niece, okay? And basta, beautiful and handsome. Okay. Bye-bye. I love you both.
Congratulations, anak! Len, my son Omar. Happiest wedding for the both of you. Before I continue my message, I would like to say thank you for all the loving people that attended Neri and Omar's wedding. Thank you for loving them and saving the date to celebrate with us. I humbly appreciate your presence. To my daughter, the time has come, anak. I know you've been waiting for this day to happen. I may want you to stay by my side forever with your siblings, but life is not meant to be like that because you have to build your own family too. Sorry, Nak, if it makes you too long before you get married, but I know everything happens for a reason, anak. I know God let those things happen in our family for you to take time to build you and for you to grow and be the right person for your partner, and also to meet Omar. Anak, from the bottom of my heart, I wanna say thank you for helping our family. Agay! Naiyak ako! Oh my God! Naiyak talaga ako. Providing all the things we needed for helping yourself. Uy! Emotional! Asa na? We love you so much. We love you so much. I know that you know that. I wish that your oneness will make your love stronger. Others' feeling when time comes to test your love. Be gentle and kind to each other. Not always remember to submit to your husband. For God, choose him to be the head of your family. To my son Omar, Please promise me to take good care of my daughter. She is far away from us. And you know how much she means to me. And you know how much she means to me. Love her as how you love yourself. Be patient, gentle, and understanding with her, for she is a fragile inside. When she says something, listen to her so she won't feel unheard. And please do not hurt her even if sometimes she is hard-headed. Yet always remember that your wife is a gift from God. I know that you're gonna be a good loving husband and a father to your family. I love you, son. Welcome to the family. To my son-in-laws, parents, I hope that you will accept my daughter wholeheartedly and love her like your own. Thank you so much. To the newlywed, congratulations and best wishes. I love you.